हेलो।
जितना मैं आपके बारे में अच्छा सोचना चाहती हूँ ना मिस्टर अब्दुल्ला, उतना ही आप मेरी नजरों से गिर जाते हैं।
सारे दोस्त जो मीडिया से हैं, जो वक्त निकाल के आए हैं हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए आज, also from the Alt Balaji and Z5 Club, we wish you and your loved ones the very best of health. My name is Rohini and I'm very excited to bring to you yet another collaboration Alt Balaji और Z5 Club के बीच में, क्योंकि इस बार जो लॉन्च करने जा रहे हैं ये एक लव स्टोरी है, वो सारे होपलेस रोमांटिक्स के नाम। इस शो के नाम में भी कुछ खास बात है, बेबाकी। जी हाँ, the name itself has been the talk of town for the last couple of weeks, with everybody wondering what बेबाकी means. And to the recently released songs, सबकी जुबान पर एक ही नाम है और वो है इस शो का। I wish मैं आपको इस शो के बारे में बहुत सारी चीजें बता पाऊं, लेकिन मैं समझूंगी कि ये सही होगा that we straight dive into things and show you, our wonderful audience who's been waiting with us patiently, the trailer of the most awaited romantic drama of the year, Bebaki. Guys, पूरी टीम जो है वो work from home पर है, so I hope that you'll be kind and you'll give us the chance to share to them. While the trailer loads, let me once again remind you and thank you for being with us today. बेबाकी इसे सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए हम सब आए हैं पहली बार। हम इस शो का लुक जो है, इसका ट्रेलर जो है एक साथ देखने वाले हैं, so I do hope that you enjoy it. Sit back, relax as we take you into a beautiful, beautiful emotional ride with three people at the center.
सब ठीक तो है ना हमारी सूफी के साथ? मेरे साथ जो हुआ ना, बस उसके बाद मेरा बेटा इश्क नाम से भी नफरत करने लगा है। मैं तो रात दिन ये दुआ करती हूँ कि उसे एक ऐसा साथी मिले जो उसकी जिंदगी में इश्क भर दे।
मदर एंड उसके डैड बहुत बहुत अय्याश टाइप के हैं, तो हमेशा से उसको he doesn't like
how you should use the girls and all that jazz. So yeah, it's all about that, and it's about Pagappan Pyar. So he has a wall around him, okay? And once the wall is being broken, then the Bebaki starts.
You know, Kushal, I think it's very interesting कि आप इस शो में एक जर्नलिस्ट का किरदार निभा रहे हैं, and this is the first time, of course, इस किरदार में आप अपने जर्नलिस्ट दोस्तों से मिलने वाले हैं.
No, I'm not a journalist. Basically, I'm not a journalist. We own a media house. Okay? Yeah. Journalist is Kainat is journalist. Yeah. And Imtiaz and Sufyan owns a media house. You know, a big media house. So Kainat is a journalist.
Yeah. As playing journalists in the show, what do you want to tell the journalists who are on the panel at this point? I'm sure
that thank you. You guys have worked so hard in this pandemic, and you are the real heroes, getting us news and everything. I mean, I know how tough you're sitting at home, but still, you guys were working from home. Everybody was working from home, and they were giving all the news. And right now, also, like you guys are talking through Zoom calls, and your job is not over. You still guys are doing and giving the news. So hats off to you guys, and all the best. What are you doing?
That's a beautiful message. Thank you so much, Kushal. Thank you so much, Karan. मैं आपके साथ जुड़ने वाली हूँ बस चंद पलों में, because at this point I'm going to invite Akhil. Akhil, take it away.
अरे इसकी तो बड़ी लिखा है जन्नत के बारे में बोल रहा है. क्या बोल रही जन्नत के बारे में? उसके भेजे पड़ेंगे.
कोई बात नहीं. हो जाता है कभी-कभी. All right. As we wait for Akhil to join us and sing for us a little bit, क्योंकि वो आकर हमारे लिए एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत गाना जो है वो पेश कर सकते हैं. As soon as Akhil joins us, it'll be great. Why don't we, in the meantime, of course, invite the rest of the cast and crew members to join us. इस मंच पर, of course, हम बुलाना चाहेंगे करण को. Hi, Karan. Do you want to switch on your camera for me?
It was already on, right? I thought they put it off. 1 second.
You can switch it on right now. Thank you.
No, the host has disabled it. Okay.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. All right. Can you see me?
Yes. Hello.
Lovely.
Almost. I think aa raha hai.
Nice.
There you are.
What's up?
Hi, fantastic. Great to see you.
Great to see you too. Thank you for your time.
All right, fantastic. इनके साथ Suchitra Pillai, finally, can I have you on the camera now?
Hi there. Hi, everyone.
She might be enjoying the rains in the...
I was, Karan, I was.
She's 50 years, 1 day old now.
I just want to say कि कल इनका जन्मदिन था, तो first of all, let's all wish her a very, very happy birthday. Belated ही सही, लेकिन happy birthday, Suchi.
Thank you very much. Hi.
Hi. Fantastic.
Hi, everyone. Hello. Hi, Shivjyoti. Hi, Kushal.
All right. Fantastic.
Hello, Karan.
कृतिका देसाई जी, क्या आप भी हमारे साथ जुड़ेंगी प्लीज?
Yes, मम्मी.
और अनन्या खरे जी, आपको भी इनविटेशन है to switch on your camera and join us. And of course, while I wait for them to join, let's start the question and answers. I'm going to dive right in. Karan, man, जब 3 लोगों की लव स्टोरी होती है, जाहिर सी बात है किसी का दिल टूटने वाला है. What can you tell us about this setup? किसका दिल टूटने वाला है?
I think all of us have to go through this journey somewhere in life.
Yeah.
But वो पता नहीं किसका दिल टूटेगा, क्या होने वाले होगा, आपको देखने के बाद ही पता चलेगा. But I think there are a lot of layers over here for every character to showcase, which is very which is something that doesn't happen in every web series, to be honest with you. And मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है कि audience is going to be really hooked on to the web show that we are doing right now, Bebaki, because it's an ensemble cast of a lot of fine-tuned performances. I know Kushal, Shivjyoti, and me represent the main characters, but then again, the other characters also have an important role to play in changing our emotions, and so it's because of a backstory that is there is why we are a particular way on as Sufyan, Imtiaz, and Kainat. So especially Sufyan and Imtiaz, they all have a backstory, and that will come in the forefront eventually. जब भी आगे चल के episodes जब हम आप देखेंगे, तो वो है. But yeah, I think triangle love story is always exciting and किसी न किसी का तो दिल टूटना ही है and ये तो यार एक natural phenomenon type चीज है, वो तो होना ही है लाइफ में. So देखते हैं किसका टूटता है, क्या होता है.
देखते हैं किसका दिल टूटता है. चलिए, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दैट. आई ऑल्सो सी दैट इस वक्त आप दोनों एक साथ हैं, तो मैं सबसे पहले तो यही पूछना चाहूंगी कि आप दोनों इस वक्त you're in the middle of a shoot and you're making time for this. Is that correct?
Yeah,
Yes.
you guys are shooting. We have to like stop a scene and come right now for all of you guys. But this is our thing. We have to do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, Kushal, it would be great to kind of introduce Shiv Jyoti na. अपनी तरफ से, as somebody who is senior, as someone who's probably held her hand through this.
I'll tell you a story about Shiv Jyoti, about Kainat. So basically, I have auditioned more than 100 girls for Kainat. Trust me on that. And that too, same scene. Every time I tell my production team, guys, please, it's a jinx scene, because whenever the girl was finalized and next day I've rehearsed with that girl, with the director, and Kainat's been changed every time. And finally we got the pretty looking Kainat after hundreds and hundreds of auditions with girls. I had the same scene, and when we were doing the same particular scene, you're like, shit, ये scene मैंने 100 बार किया, and when actually we're doing it, like what? It's like a autopilot, we're doing it. But Shiv, welcome to web series world. OT, it's your first time, and she's a very talented girl, and she is very hard worker.
Fantastic. अच्छा, तो अभी क्योंकि आपने कहा है कि कायनात की ही बात करेंगे, तो हम कायनात को कायनात ही बुलाएंगे अभी. कायनात, we were dying to hear from you. बताओ, how has it been to be part of this wonderful show? तुम्हारी तरफ से, come on.
Yeah, thank you so much for a warm welcome, Kushal sir, and everybody. I think it's a roller coaster ride, to be very honest, because when I got this good news that I am going to be part of the show, I was very excited, and at the same time, I was very thrilled to be part of it. मेरा एक बहुत funny incident हुआ था. First day when I came on set, I'm not very habitual of somebody calling me heroine. Or somebody calling me, oh, heroine aa gayi, heroine yahan ja rahi hai, because I have worked in advertising world for a very for a few months or a year. So I had this idea of she's the actress or she's the main artist or something like that. I am not very much familiar with this.
Heroine.
Heroine मुझे like literally थोड़ा सा shake
तो मैं बचपन से heroine नहीं बनना था.
ऐसे मेरे इरादे नहीं थे, मुझे बहुत कुछ बनना था, but yeah, कुछ for the first time when everybody is like calling you heroine, then I suddenly realized that it's a big responsibility on my shoulder, and I freaked out for the first time.
और ये भाग गई थी.
और मैं भाग गई.
She called the caterer and I can't do it. I don't want to do this show. I don't think so. I should do it. I'm not ready for it.
No. That was not the idea. First, I knew that it is a big responsibility. Second, I had a very less time to prepare for the whole thing. And Kainat is one of those who is going to be with Imtiaz and who is going to be with Sufyan. And I was very less aware about Kainat at that moment. And I figured out without knowing about this girl, how am I going to project it? As a professional, you need to know what you are doing. And if you cannot do justice to your work, for me, it's a waste of time for everyone. So literally that time I freaked out. But when I saw all beautiful cast and all senior, members there, like, walking around, and I was like, shit, ये भी है, अच्छा ये भी है, अच्छा ये भी है, ज्योति कैसे करेगी, ज्योति क्या करेगी? So yeah, that was my journey, that was my structure, and yeah, once I was ready in my head, I can do it. And I should give it a try. And I think उसके बाद तो तब से अभी तक it's okay.
Okay, good.
Good, fantastic, well done. Thank you and welcome on board, and all the best to you. I'm going to take this to Suchi at this point. जैसे मैंने कहा, once again happy birthday. आपके लिए already सवाल आ चुका है मीडिया की तरफ से. दिव्या खन्ना जो है ये पूछना चाहती हैं from High On Persona magazine. Seems like a big day for you. Lots of releases in the lockdown. Bebaki is all set to release. So how does it feel, Suchi, to be the lockdown star?
Lockdown star, I love that. Well, it's well, thank you everyone, thanks for being here. Yeah, it's been interesting for me because I've had 4 releases, my 4th release on on an OTT. Hello Kushal. On an OTT platform. And it's been interesting because all 4 things that I did are all very extremely different roles.
Raj?
And Bebaki, what really interested me about this particular role is every time Alt Balaji has come to me, they've come to me with something different. I started off with Romil and Jugal, where I played the South Indian mom. After that came Kehne Ko Hum Safar Hai for 3 years, where that was Sheena, 3 times divorced. And then now Dana, you know, this character who is totally different from those people. And though she may be the antagonist, you know, in a way, it's good to be bad, I say. So that's why I was very happy about playing this character.
Love
And
it. Love
yeah,
it.
it's nice. It's a nice 50th birthday present, I have to say. Yeah.
No,
the
every
release of
time
this.
Suchitra, you say that, we're all. No, don't say that. Don't say that. It doesn't. Age is a number, and you just prove it. Man.
It's
She
just a
makes
number,
50
yeah.
to 20.
Oh, thank you, Kushal.
All right. Let's take this to Karan at this point.
Yep. All right, so I think I break my my web series virginity out here as well, because first time I am doing a web show, to be honest with you, and at the same time I've realized that it's a very interesting platform, because since I do more of television, coming out here, it seems like it's a little more realistic. Of course, there's more character and substance to the entire OTT platform, and the entire it's been a good journey. In fact, I mean, Imtiaz is one of those characters who rarely exist today, because you know, he's too good to be there. He's too good to exist. All of us have flaws. All of us have glitches at the same time. But I believe this guy is so nice. He's so sincere. He's so honest, and you can't quite pick out a flaw in him. You know, you can't quite pick out a glitch, because he's to the point, and you know, he's somebody who's ready to make sacrifices. He's just out there, and he's just telling the world that, listen, whatever you guys are going through, just share with me, share your emotions. I'm here, right here, taking care of you guys, respecting you. And that's his relationship with everybody. In fact, like, you know, Sufyan as a brother, Kainat as a friend, with his mother, there's so much love. He keeps the family well knitted. And I believe I'm very grateful for this opportunity. And of course, I'm a very twisted person in real life, but so it was it was a challenge for me to get into that entire rhythm of finding Imtiaz, because you know, you got to find nuances about you which are very, you know, you're really humble, you feel really blessed about things. You got to go very deep inside and find the perfect DNA to bring about Imtiaz.
That's lovely. You know, I can see that Akhil's joined in and he's got the guitar. So Akhil, मैं बस ये कहना चाहूंगी कि आपसे हम थोड़ा सा गाना सुन सकते हैं इस वक्त, please.
Can you hear me, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, I've been trying since long, and I can't just get in there. I was trying since long. I was there before also, but there's some technology problem.
What's up, Akhil?
What's up, brother? What's up? I'm good. How are you?
Good.
Well, thank you so much. I just want to say one thing before I sing this for you. Well, I've been doing a lot of Ekta shows, and we go a long way. And I did O Sajna in the previous show, as well as Sukoon. I've been doing for all her shows.
I'm a big fan of your music, bro. I'm a big fan of your music.
Thank you, brother. When I got Bebaki, so they just said, they gave me a few, the script as to on what basis I have to make a song, and they just said I made song for Kabir Singh, and the same character I felt while making a song for Bebaki. You know, that I think that Kabir Singh character as well as the Bebaki character had some sort of a similarity, which I find in myself. So it's a very special song that I made, and I hope you guys are already loving it, but I hope it goes to the right place where it deserves. So I'll sing Galiyan for you all. कितने रह गईयां माहियां जो तेरे और खींच लाती है, उनसे गुजरना जो मैं चाहूं भी सही, सिसकती है सांसें जान जाती, गलियां वो गलियां कितने रह गई माहियां जो तेरी और खींच लाती है उनसे गुजरना जो मैं चाहूं भी सही सिसकती है सांसें मेरी जान जाती है पास क्यों मेरे पास नहीं आस जगी पर अब वो बात नहीं मैं कमली बन चलिया मैं जोगन बन चलिया याद क्यों आए मुझे तेरी गलियां मैं कमली बन चलिया मैं जोगन बन चलिया दिल क्यों दुखाए मेरा तेरी गलियां तेरी गलियां तेरी गलियां तेरी गलियां वो गलियां किस रंग गईया वो तेरी गलियां
How beautiful! How beautiful!
Thank you so much.
Wow.
And all the best for the whole team. Like I'm really glad to be part of something that I relate to, something that I relate with. I'm really
Damn good, yeah. Damn good, man. You just made
Fantastic.
our
Really
day.
nice. Yeah.
Thank you, God bless. Thank you guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
Akhil. We'll see you
Bye,
soon.
bye, brother. Bye, Kushal.
Everybody, see you, buddy. See you,
See you guys. See you
Bye,
guys.
bye. Take care.
चलिए सवाल जवाब का सिलसिला जो है शुरू करते हैं हमारे दोस्तों के साथ फ्रॉम द प्रेस। फरहान पहली चक्कर से पूछना चाहते हैं, हाय कुशाल, व्हाट इज लव एज पर यू? और हमें बताइए कि प्यार और इश्क और पागलपन जो है प्यार और इश्क में, इनमें फर्क क्या होता है, जैसे कि सूफियान कहते हैं।
प्यार एक इबादत है, प्यार एक बेपनाह प्यार कहते हैं, जिसे बेबाकी प्यार कहते हैं। तो प्यार एक इबादत है, प्यार का कोई रूप नहीं है। यू कैन लव योर मदर, यू कैन लव योर ब्रदर, यू कैन लव योर सिस्टर, यू कैन लव योर लव। लव इज लव। जो सूफियान का प्यार है वो बेबाकी प्यार है, बिकॉज ही डजंट बिलीव इन लव। और जब उसको प्यार हुआ, जब उसकी वॉल टूटी, so then the bebaki starts. So there's no bound. He's fearless and he's just go all out for the love.
Fantastic. All right, thank you so much for answering that. Up next, हरी जो है पूछना चाहते हैं करण आपसे कि क्या आप और कुशाल रियल लाइफ में, ऐसा कभी आपके लाइफ में हुआ है कि दोस्ती के दस्तूर जो है आपके बदल गए हैं?
नहीं ऐसा no.
ऐसा तो नहीं है।
I believe in bro code. I have a bro code. I don't.
ऐसा तो नहीं है। I think there's a particular. I think the first impression that you have of somebody is the last impression, I believe. ऐसा लगता है. So, in fact, me and Kushal also, we are very supportive of each other's creative differences. Like if there's something that we want to add to the scene, we do that. And at the same time, if there's something that we want to share with each other, we do that for a fact. And at the same time, it's very important कि एक माहौल set हुआ हो, which is very full of unconditional giving and understanding, which is very important because I think show का basis वो, show का foundation ही वो होता है कि अगर आपके सारे artists एक सोच के साथ आगे जा रहे हैं, because we all are together to create a new kind of a fort. We are building a fort out here, and all of us are pillars at the same time. So it's very important for us to like support each other. So that is, I think, great, and I think that is what I share with him on set also. And it's a very light-hearted relationship that I had with him, and I think that's great.
A very fun question is, have you ever been part of a love triangle? Which part of the triangle have you been?
Who is this for?
I think everybody should take this. Karan, why don't you start?
No, I think let somebody else start right now.
अच्छा, तो कायनात से शुरुआत करते हैं।
मेरी लाइफ में ऐसा कोई लव ट्रायंगल कभी नहीं है। नहीं, I never had such situation ever in my life. Probably Kushal.
Yeah.
नहीं love triangle.
I've realized one thing. I think ये सब सिर्फ shows में होता है. I think real life में ऐसा बहुत कम होता है.
नहीं
love triangles, अरे what are you talking about?
Real life में तो there's lots of guys they give they shoulders for a crying shoulder and they try and chance on the girl. You know,
yeah.
देखिए
I
मेरे
know that's
हिसाब से
there, but
अगर आपको
then
कभी
again,
लगा नहीं है कि आप एक लव ट्रायंगल का हिस्सा है, क्योंकि आप उस ट्रायंगल के एपेक्स पे थे, आपको पता ही नहीं था आजू बाजू कौन क्या कर रहा था.
आपकी लाइफ में
You know,
triangle
Rohini,
चल रहे होते हैं.
Rohini, I have to admit, if you're talking about love triangles, I don't know about them, but my first crush in college, that was a love triangle because my best friend and me, we both loved, as in liked the same guy. Okay, of course, she ended up with
him? Okay.
Yeah, well, he ended up with her, and they're still married 25 years later. It was their first boyfriend girlfriend thing, so I was not meant to be in that picture. But what was nice about that situation is you could even, though it could have caused a problem, yeah, and she was really my best friend. Though it could have caused a problem, we actually sat and we talked it out with each other. And as soon as we saw that there was interest for her more than me, I stepped back and said, okay, let's not even try here. So both me and my girlfriend actually discussed it. So it's possible to be part of a love triangle which doesn't
have you
go
realized,
sour.
even though if it's a triangle, there's always somebody who loves the other one a little less than the other one. You know, that's why somebody backs out.
That's why somebody backs out, yeah.
So it can't quite be a triangle. It can never be a perfect triangle.
I think we're going into
Obtuse
geometry.
triangles.
Yeah, exactly. Get into like hardcore geometry and all over, but it can't be a perfect triangle.
Yeah.
No, this is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. All right, I'm going to look into the chat box. और मैं देख रही हूँ कि कुशल जो है,
Kushal.
नहीं,
Thanks. It's
I thought that
Kushal.
the person's name is Kushal, who's written it. All right, so
That's very interesting because I'm sure the name is spelled as Kushal.
KHUS.
Kushal.
Kushal.
Kushal. Yeah.
Salman bhai used to call me Kushal. Kushal.
तो ये आपसे पूछना चाहते हैं कुशाल से कि क्या ये पहली बार तो नहीं है कि आपने लव ट्रायंगल देखा होगा. So what was different in this, and also what was the best moment in this show for you guys? So there are two questions here. I think
this show is not only a love triangle. It's a very big show in which there are a lot of relationships with brother, with mother, with younger brothers, elder brothers, sisters. It's a family show with a love story. You know, it's a full package. Like, you know, everything is there in it. Emotions, love, and every emotion is there in this thing. In this Bevaki.
All right. What about Suchi? What do you have to say to this? आपके लिए ये show अलग क्यों है?
For me, I think what's nice is, I mean, the premise of the show, people may say it's a love story and it's a love triangle or whatever, but the way it's been put together, the fact that it's about two families living together, that's, not, and the location where we've shot, Shimla, all of that put together makes it very interesting. Also, the fact that this is on an OTT platform and it is also about, a digital company, media company, which is, in the digital space, etc. So that kind of connects us with the whole digital space in the first place, the Alkazis and the Abdullahs. And what's interesting about the show is that each and every character is very, very well defined. Small or big or whatever, because there's quite a few of us in that house, and each person is rather well defined in this. That came out right at the very first time at the narration. You could tell that nobody's going to be shortchanged, frankly. So, which was a reason that everybody kind of said yes to it.
That's lovely. Thank you for that. I'm going to take this next one to Karan. Karan, I think that we should answer Priya's question. Priya जानना चाहती है कि what is the best moment for you guys? And I'm assuming कि वो on the sets की बातें कर रही हैं. Anything memorable that happened during the shoot जिसके बारे में शायद आपको याद हो इस वक्त?
Yeah, Manali, we were shooting in like a I don't know, I couldn't get my dialogues on this one night where we were shooting above, I think it was Shimla or something. It was so cold, and we were
-7.
Yeah, and I was hoping that Sir packs it up because I'm from the city over here, Mumbai, and I can't tolerate cold, and I just couldn't after one Sir, मैं क्या करूँ? गाड़ी का हीटर खराब हो गया क्योंकि वो हैंडल नहीं कर पा रहा ठंडी को, and I was just like, what the hell do I do right now? So I remember all of us are there, and Kushal, so I had more layers and Kushal had very less layers. So I'm like, तेरे को ठंडी नहीं लग रही क्या? And so he never quite vocally said it, but I'm sure he was feeling really cold inside. but को पता नहीं.
No,
I mean,
he
I
was robotic in Shimla. I don't understand, Kushal. He was walking around in only a kurta saying, "Arey yaar, kya? Why are you all freezing?" It was very
Yeah, so
strange.
I didn't understand that.
No, I was feeling cold too. Please, I was feeling cold too. I was not showing, but at one moment I was shivering. We could not even say a dialogue, you know. And wearing a white, like,
And the thing is,
plain
we're
kurta
shooting
and
outdoor
shirt.
on the road on a hill on a hilltop somewhere. We're shooting there, and it's a very important scene because me, Kainat, Sufyan, three of us were in that scene and all. And कुछ भी करके I was just like, you know, एक और take अगर होता था, I was like, shit यार, shit. जितना और take करूँ उतना और खराब होने वाला है, तो जल्दी खत्म करो इसको. But thankfully, it
The best
खत्म हो
part
गया.
is it's extreme. Over there is extreme thanda, like it's cold, and over here you have to wear suits. At that time, there's no AC, and I have to feel like I'm shooting my scenes over here. You're not.
You know, कमाल का एक सवाल है विशाल आपके लिए. ये श्रुति पूछना चाहती है, कहती है कि आपने शिमला में शो के कुछ पार्ट्स की शूटिंग की है. एक स्टोरी के लिए लोकेशन कितनी इम्पोर्टेंट होती है?
बहुत. I mean, our show is looking so beautiful because we got all the snow, all the valleys and snow. It's looking so pretty. We are lucky enough we got the snow. We got the same time. We got the snow that time. I mean, it was the peak time. We were not supposed to get the ice earlier, but by chance the shoot got cancelled and delayed for 15 days, 20 days, and we got the snow.
I think it's also, if I may add, it's very important for every show to have a different look when it comes to location, and this one stands out wonderfully because of Shimla and the fact that you can see it's all real locations and not just sets and studio. I think
I just want to intervene,
audiences
guys.
now.
I just want to intervene. Has it gotten really dark outside by any chance? Outside
Yes,
the windows, if you
it
can see,
has.
like extremely dark. I've never seen Bombay
Yeah.
this dark at this time.
Very dark.
पता नहीं तुम लोग vanity के बाद देख लेना.
right.
It is ridiculously dark.
It's very dark right now.
Damn.
Thank God I have a light. All right. I'm going to ask.
Hey, Havan. Karen, turn on your light.
आगे आ जाता हूँ यार.
ऐसे लग रहा है कि तुम दूसरे ही शो का हिस्सा हो इस वक्त और तुम्हारा शो का नाम है डार्क.
काश.
क्या लाइट चली गई क्या?
Gumnaam.
Light नहीं भाई. This is. Can you do like a?
I have to make this quick, so I'm going to go to Suchi at this point. Shivanti from Anand Bazaar Patrika आपसे पूछना चाहती है, what is the criteria for you choosing a role?
I mean, it's not the length of the role. It never has been. It's always the substance that, you know, and to make sure that I'm not repeating something that I've done at least recently. You know, that's definitely been my criteria for doing whatever work that I do. And particularly for Dana, she's a go-getter. She knows what she wants. She, you know, she's completely, you know, motherly as far as her kids are concerned, especially Imtiaz, so she has a soft spot for, and she will go to any lengths to see that he is happy, be it in love or be it, you know, success for his work, etc. So you'll see layers of her which are not only being the antagonist or the bad person of the picture or whatever, but you will also see you know, the family side to her and stuff, which makes it all the more interesting for somebody to play a character.
She is
like that.
Dana's poo. She's a poo.
Yeah, and the
And
takrar is
amazing
entirely
performer.
with Sufyan. For Dana, it's completely, the takrar is always with Sufyan, so that's very interesting to play as well. We keep giving each other.
Sufyan and Dana they don't get along. So.
We don't see eye to eye at all.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. There's a very sweet question for Shivjyoti at this point, और वो है ये कि preparation क्या होती है एक debut show के लिए. आपने थोड़ी देर पहले कहा कि you know, heroine इस बात की, you know, आदत पड़नी थी कानों को, लेकिन अपनी तरफ से कोई prep जो आपने
No, yeah, sure. So basically, मुझे आदत नहीं है heroine सुनने की. In fact, today, even if I'm on set, I don't let people, you know, call me heroine. I just say call me Kainat, you know, character, not heroine, because I don't like that. I mean, not like that I don't want to be. It is a good title, but otherwise I just like to be, you know, comfortable and warm everywhere. So that was one. Secondly, yes, preparation is so very important. Like I said that I ran away because I had very less time to prepare for my own character and I had very less knowledge about her. Because I was the last cast and I was the only person ki jisko bas floor pe jana tha aur acting karni thi. I know, like, you know, probably Ekta might have seen something in me and she gave me such a big platform and opportunity to go and just show my, you know, acting and action. But then too, I took a little bit time from the production and from the team, like 1 week, and then I started seeing all the Muslim shows and all the shows that has more Urdu in it, because that is the essence of the show. If everybody is going to say in the same form, same, वो अगर अदा और accent नहीं आएगा तो वो it is going to kill the vibe of the show. So hence I thought to give some time to myself and read a little, see a little, and see how the culture is like, because she is playing both Punjabi and a Muslim girl. So yeah, my dad he's Punjabi and my mom she is Muslim. So मुझे वो दोनों characters को अपने बीच में लाना था. तो मुझे हंजी पापा जी भी करना था और मुझे अम्मी भी करना था. तो हाँ मतलब दोनों के लिए बोलना था या उन दोनों को साथ लेकर आना था. So that is why it was my preparation was like to see all the shows and everything, and yeah, और वो चीजें मैंने use भी की हैं throughout the
Even
time.
we did readings also.
Yeah, but वो preparation के time पे yes. I mean he was so kind to come on set to do just the reading with me, because I was little not sure, क्योंकि एकदम से आप कहीं पे भी action बोल दें तो वो अच्छी बात है अगर आपको इतना confidence है मुझ में.
But we all were very cooperative.
Yeah, he was very kind. Yeah, all of actually Suchi ma'am भी कभी-कभी set पे मुझे
Yeah.
एक बार हुआ था सुची मैम और मेरा था, and obviously she is very senior और मैंने उनका काम देखा हुआ है, but I never show it on set कि I have seen your work. I'm like very confident person. ठीक है मुझे सब पता है. But I was very well aware of her work, and I've seen her work. I was like, damn, she's super hot. Oh my god, she's super nice. And then she was like, वो इशारे करती थी आंखों से कि you are doing well, good, हो जाएगा, ये सही कर देंगे, एकदम सही लग रहा है. वो exchange of look जो confidence जो उन्होंने मुझे दिया, it was so very important, and I really appreciate each and every person, whether it was Inderpreet sir, whether it was my own mother, my sisters, everyone. They were super nice, and they all helped me to create this Kainat as Kainat.
That's so lovely. Thank you for that beautiful insight. That's lovely. Abhishek, Kushal आपसे कहना चाहते हैं कि you look dashing in the 90s retro look, waiting for this scene to come up. ये जो भी scene आप shoot कर रहे हैं.
Thank you.
All right. Very interesting question, Karan. I'm going to take this to you. ये वर्षा जो है ये पूछ रही है, what is more important, character or story?
Both.
So firstly, there's a story that comes out, and then there's a character who can do justice to that story. So I think what is very important is the story per se first, because from the story, so it's like it's a kite. You're the kite flying up in the sky, and if you take one string out, the entire flow goes for a toss, which is what I believe. So I think the story is really important, and that's exactly when you can understand the character and get into the character and do justice to the story is how I would like to put it.
That's wonderfully said, Kushal. I heard you say both, so you want to add to that?
Both. First, you have to like a story. Then only you ask what character I'm playing. So first there has to be story. Then the character comes. Both are important.
For me, everything is important, from story to
if the story is not good and character is good, it doesn't make sense.
But for me, I think everything is important. Story, yes. Character, yes. And director, yes. Because these three people are going to make things look just right. Because if your director is not that good, I don't know, I believe, if your director is not that good, then you won't be able to project the story and cannot take the story as it is required. So it is very important everything is very important. Every part, every element is so very important.
Thank you for that. Farhan Khan पूछना चाहते हैं कि how was the shooting process done amid the pandemic and lockdown and the post-production work? आप में से कौन इसका जवाब देना चाहेगा?
See, this is a new normal.
Everybody.
All of us.
Suchi ma'am, please.
Yeah, no. So we were shooting. We shut down as soon as there was. Everyone was asked to shut down shooting, so we were not shooting at all during the pandemic. But they started shooting now a few days ago. Shiv and the boys, and all of us are going to continue now. But we were not shooting during the pandemic. All of our Shimla stuff and all was done before, and luckily for us, we managed to get all of that. Get all of that before all of this chaos started. Otherwise, it would have been a problem for the show. But we started when you guys must have started in December. When
Yeah.
did you start? Yeah, December. So we
November.
started shooting
Never
November,
one
December.
One day.
So yeah, so during the pandemic, nothing happened.
That way, Kushal started shooting in August with the amount of
With the number of
rehearsals he's done with
Kainaat, yes.
different.
Sorry. I beg your pardon.
Kainaat.
Karan, we can't hear
Karan,
you.
we can't hear you.
I'm saying that
Karan,
way
we
Kushal
can't
started
hear
shooting.
you.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
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 Light के साथ क्या आवाज भी चलेगी क्या?
Why
Hello.
turn on
I'm
the
saying
lights
that way
now?
Kushal has. You know, I like it this way, man. I'm a dark person. What I'm saying
I
is
do not
that
see
way.
your face.
Well, what is
I'll
saying?
just figure.
That way, Kushal was shooting every day with the number of rehearsals he was doing with different Kainats coming on set.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true.
Actually.
Hmm.
So
Just immediate.
Karan, what happened to the lights where you are?
the most.
Karan,
I don't know, lights have
He's
gone.
saying he likes dark, so he doesn't want to show his face.
No man, you can see my face, yeah.
No, it's
There's
like
a- there's
very
a power
dark,
problem
Karan.
there,
You
is
should
it?
turn on your lights.
बहुत दूर है यार, एक
Harsha
मिनट कर
said
देता हूँ.
something.
You can shoot up the next questions by the way.
Yeah.
I'm trying to, if you let me. all right, very nice. I think music के बारे में बात करना चाहिए इस वक्त because someone just said we heard one song. It was absolutely gorgeous. What is your favorite song? Do you have a favorite song, guys?
Inteha.
India. I
Inteha.
love India more. I mean, I love Galiyan. Okay.
So you know what the best part is? Right now I'm going on shoot. I think these guys will be leaving from Film City. So this is the perfect time to listen to that song in the car.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
With Barish on.
Yeah.
Kushal, a question for you. देख रहे हैं कि OTT platforms पे बहुत सारे कमाल के shows और great content आ रहा है. Does this excite you as an actor at this point?
Of course, because of OTT, there are a lot of work for a lot of actors. You know what I mean? For the only films and television. Since OTT is there, there's a lot of work that you can do. You can have a variation of work. You can try something else. You can try something in television. There's a particular thing. You cannot try more things as OTT. In OTT, you can show it. Whatever you want to show, you can show it. Like you can smoke a cigarette. You have a love-making scene, whatever it is. So OTT is a very nice thing which has been made now. Actually.
Fantastic.
I think given the circumstances that we have great writers and great composers, and this platform is going to bring everyone on one place, and everybody can show their talent, everybody can tell their story in a certain way. And I think because the reach is now different, it is not just limited to just theaters, it is not limited to just one platform now. Like he said, like it's going to give a lot of employment opportunities, and it's going to other opportunities to a lot of artists and actors and directors and composers. So it is a beautiful thing.
And this pandemic time, now nobody wants to go to theater. Okay,
Yeah.
so everybody's watching web series now. That because you can watch a movie on sitting on the couch. You know what I mean? So because this Hotstar, Disney, they all launching in the like on the OTT platforms only now.
All right, these are
It's a new revolution altogether, if we can say.
This is a fun bunch of questions. You have to point to each other. I don't know if you can point. You can just take the names if you want.
Okay.
So don't point. I think we should take names because it's,
Yeah, I've done this. I've played this before with you.
You have, of course, you played this game with me. अच्छा, सबसे ज़्यादा बालों को कौन संवारता है?
Kushal Tandon.
Kushal Tandon.
Okay, अगला सवाल. सबसे ज़्यादा lines कौन भूल जाता है?
It's not
तो
me.
याद है.
सबसे ज़्यादा ठंड किसे लगती है?
Karan Jotwani.
No, मुझे.
What is wrong with you?
Suchi and
I am wearing Kushal's
she's
jacket.
wearing my jacket also. See.
अच्छा, मुझे पता सबसे बड़ा foodie कौन है?
सब है यार.
सब है.
मैं 100%.
Nahin, Suchi ma'am, please don't lie here.
Hello, ask these boys. Come on, Karan, you know. Hello.
It's Suchi foodie.
Okay.
Full foodie.
Okay, सबसे ज़्यादा
Kushal-
health conscious कौन है?
क्या?
कौन? Say again?
सबसे ज़्यादा health conscious कौन है?
Shiv.
Oh, Shiv.
But
Yeah,
even-
I was going to say Kushal.
Full alleged competition.
Okay, next question, shoot.
The next question, shoot. सबसे ज्यादा कौन हंसता है?
And Sushi also.
I like how she's nominating herself. She's like, मुझे ही पता है. अच्छा, सबसे ज्यादा टेक्नोलॉजी पर ज्ञान कौन दे सकता है?
Karan.
Karan, is that
Karan.
Yeah, possibly. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
I'm technically challenged in technology.
Me too. Despite being an
But he
engineer.
doesn't talk about technology even. Karan doesn't. I think we don't talk about technology on sets, but otherwise, if somebody wants to know something, Karan is the Wikipedia.
All right. सबसे ज्यादा टीवी पर शोज किसने देखे हैं?
Netflix.
Yeah.
I'm only on Netflix.
All right. What about the last one, which is also fun? Okay, सबसे ज्यादा. Okay, who is the person who is always there for each other if you have to give them a call at 3 in the morning?
I am available, by the way.
ये कौन?
No, I am not. I love my sleep.
I'm available.
I am not.
I'm available.
Suchi is also available.
I
Suchi is
want
available
to compromise
anytime.
my sleep.
That's true.
Anything
See,
in the world, but I
they know.
cannot compromise.
That is so sweet. I think इस छोटे से rapid fire से पता चला है how much you guys have bonded on the sets of Bebaki, and
Absolutely.
I think what we can do right now is actually showcase the trailer because हम trailer देख नहीं पाए थे. So guys, hang on to us, and I'm going to request our team to beam the trailer of Bebaki.
Concert?
Thank you.
आज बहुत काम है यार.
Turn off your mics.
सब ठीक तो है ना हमारी सूफी के साथ? मेरे साथ जो हुआ ना, बस उसके बाद मेरा बेटा इश्क नाम से भी नफरत करने लगा है. मैं तो रात दिन ये दुआ करती हूँ कि उसे एक ऐसा साथी मिले जो उसकी जिंदगी में इश्क भर दे.
कायनात साहनी.
ये एक एग्जीक्यूटिव लिफ्ट है. क्या
लिफ्ट हवा में है तो क्या करूं, कूद जाऊं?
सिर्फ दोस्ती नहीं है, हम एक परिवार है.
पहले तो बाप दोस्त थे, अब बेटे भी दोस्त हो गए.
हमारे बेटों की दोस्ती एकदम गहरी है. माशाल्लाह.
ये दोनों तब जुदा होंगे जब कोई प्यार और विश्वास नहीं रहेगा.
रब्बा खैर करी,
Get in.
Buzz off.
रब्बा खैर करी.
सत्याग्रह, डांडी मार्च, सूफियान गो बैक मूवमेंट करूंगी मैं.
विला बिना जुदाइयों वाला रब्बा खैर करी.
मेरी फेवरेट है ना, तूने शॉप पे रखा था.
Thank you.
Fuck you. You just called me. Fuck you.
Thank you.
आज पहली बार मुझे वो झांसी की रानी इंसान लगी.
ओहो, अब तो जनाब मुस्कुराने भी लगे हैं.
तुझसे कुछ बात करनी है.
मुझे भी ना तुझसे कुछ बात करनी.
Really? तुम तो शादी करना चाहते हैं.
शादी?
Would you like to dance with me?
Mummy, are you sure she wants to marry me?
Of course she wants to marry you. So happy.
क्योंकि इस बार मुझे पता है किस टाइप की लड़की गिरा. अमीर. Shut up.
हम इम्तियाज का रिश्ता लेकर गए थे. After all, तुम दोनों को हमेशा सेम चीज पसंद आती है ना?
He always likes what I love.
ये भली क्यों नहीं पता? मैं कैसे बता दूं तुझे सूफी? Why she's just a woman with a goddamn loose character.
तुम्हें कोई आइडिया नहीं है तुमने किस मुसीबत को इनवाइट किया.
Bring it on. मैं खुद चूज करूंगी कि मुझे क्या चाहिए.
तुम मेरे पास वापस आओगी खुद.
जितना मैं आपके बारे में अच्छा सोचना चाहती हूँ, उतना ही आप मेरी नजर से गिर जाते हैं.
Deep down, just love me. दुनिया कहे इसे इश्क का पागलपन, पर मेरे लिए ये बेबाकी है.
Just want to say congratulations once again from the bottom of my heart. It looks so good, and I'm sure कि इसकी एक अलग ही fan universe जो है बनने वाली है. So all of you, please make sure that you watch this wonderful series dropping on Z5 on the 30th of August. मेरी तरफ से मैं आप सबको शुक्रिया कहना चाहूंगी. और सूफियान, कायनात और इम्तियाज, आप तीनों की जो कहानी है उसमें ऑलरेडी बहुत सारे लोग इन्वेस्ट हो चुके हैं Z5 की तरफ से एंड ऑल्ट बालाजी की तरफ से. Just want to say thank you so
बहुत
much.
इन्वेस्ट भी हुआ है.
Thank you so much, Rohini.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Take care, guys. Once again,
Bye-bye.
Alt Balaji and Z5 bringing to you Bebaki on the 30th of August.
Thank you to all of the press who was here. Thank you very much.
Thank you, guys. Thank you all.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Take care. Bye bye.
Bye.
Chalo.